Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to download your information on Instagram. Maybe you want to delete your Instagram, but before that, you wanted to download your information in your Instagram. So today, I am going to show you on how you can download your information on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be redirected into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, from your profile page, simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, you will see your activity. Simply tap on this your activity. And then in here, you have to scroll down and you will see in here, download your information. Simply tap on this, download your information. And then in here, as you can see, download your information. You can request a copy of information at any time. If you want to request, simply tap on request a download. And then in here, you have to select information. You can download a complete copy or select the types of information to include in your file. If your download includes multiple profiles, you can select the types of information for each profile. For example, you want to download the complete copy, simply tap on it. And then in here, you have to submit the request. After you submit a request, as you can see, when your profile is ready, you'll have 4 days to download your information from this page. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can download your information, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can download your Instagram information, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.